So today in this SAP training we will learn what is package and how we create package and what are T codes for package. SAP system application and product in data processing, that is an ERP software to implement all modules. Here in SAP we are implementing all functional module and technical module on a single platform, that is SAP. Then what is ABAP? Technical module, Advanced Business Application Programming. This is the technical module of SAP and programming language of SAP. Here in this ABAP, we will work on RICEF object. RICEF object I will explain you in detail in the next session. Now we will create package. What is package? If you are working on any real-time project, then first we will create package. Package, that is just like a folder to store objects. Objects, custom object, standard objects. So in SAP we are having two types of object, custom object and standard object. Custom object will start from G and Y alphabet, will be created by a ABAPer or you can say technical consultant. Standard object accept G and Y already provided by SAP. So standard objects, we will not create any standard object. Standard objects are already provided by SAP. We will create custom object using G and Y alphabet. These objects will be created by a BAPer or technical consultant. Custom objects will be stored in the custom package. Standard objects, standard tables, standard programs are stored in the standard package like MGVF. These are standard package. Custom objects will be stored in the custom package. You cannot store custom object in the standard package. And how we can create the package? What is package? That is folder. In SAP you have to store your object in the package, then only you can move your objects from development server to quality and quality to production. If you are storing your objects in the local package, then you cannot transport your objects from development server to quality and quality to production. And how we can create the package using T code SE21 and SE80. SE21 package builder, SE80 ABAP workbench. So using these T code you can create your package. SE21, that is package builder. Using this T code you can only create package. You cannot create any other object. Now let me show you how we create package in SAP. So in the command bar, we will run SE21 code package builder. Here you can pass package name, suppose Y, ABAP. You can pass any new name that is not available in the system. Now create. So custom package, we are creating custom package. If you are creating any custom table or any custom object, then you have to store that object in the package. It will work like a folder. So custom object will be stored in the custom package so that you can move your objects from development server to quality and quality to production. If you are creating any object, then you have to store in the package, then only you can move that object from server to server. If you are storing that object in the local package $TMP, then you cannot transport your objects. No transportation of objects. So you cannot transport your objects if you are storing in the local package. If you are creating any object for your practice, then you can store in the local package. The steps to create custom package: you can run SE21 T code package builder, then you can pass package name using G and Y alphabet, then you can pass description in the pop-up, then enter. And in the next window, it will ask you for workbench request. Now, what is workbench request? So here we will pass description, practice, then enter, enter. It will ask you for workbench request. Workbench request we are using for development of objects. So if you're developing any object, then it will ask you for workbench request. So you can create new TR using this create request icon. Here you can create a new TR. Suppose practice. Enter. So this TR number, workbench request, enter. So this package is created. Y-abap underscore TST. Custom package. Now go to object directory entry, log overview. You can check your TR number. This is your TR. So this is your workbench request. Target system is quality system. By default, the status will be modifiable. This is your main TR, sub TR, then this package. This package is stored in the workbench request. You can check your TR number using go to object directory entry. So this package is created. Now you can store your custom object in this custom package. And you can also create your package using SE80 code. This is the main T code of SAP ABAP, that is ABAP Workbench. Here you can select your package using this drop down icon. Then you can pass your package name. Suppose GABAP underscore TEST package name. Then click on this display icon. Then pop-up will come. In the pop-up, you can pass your, do you want to create the object? Yes. Then same process in the pop-up, we will pass description. You can pass your description, enter. It will ask you for workbench request. So we will use same TR number, enter. So this package is created. You can create your package using SE80 code and SE21. You can use any T code. Now you can store objects. If you're creating any custom table, if you're creating custom program, then you can store in this custom package. You can store all your custom object in the custom package. Then only you can transport your objects from development server to quality and quality to production server. Then you can use your objects on the production server. So you have to store your objects in the package. So if you're creating any custom objects, then you have to store your custom objects in some package, custom package. Then you can store in the workbench request. If you're developing any object, then we will always use workbench request. For development, we will use workbench request. Pop-up will come. In the pop-up, you can create your TR or you can pass existing TR. Then pass the short description. Click on this save button. You can create your workbench request. Then package, this package is saved. Your custom package is created. Now you can use this custom package. Okay, so you can create your package using SE21 code or SE80. And why we are creating package? To move your objects from development server to quality and quality to production. You can store your objects in the custom package. If you are storing in the local package, in the local package $TMP, then you cannot transport your objects from server to server. And standard objects are stored in the standard package, like a standard program, a standard T code. Let me show you some T code. SE93, this is the standard T code. Here you can create your custom T code. SE93 standard T code, and let me pass here VA03. VA03, this is the standard T code. Display sales order, this program. So this is your package, standard package. In this package, let me show you this standard package SE80. Here you can pass your standard package, suppose VA. VA, this is the standard package. this VA. All your objects are stored in the standard package. Let me show you transaction T code. All your T codes are stored in the standard package like VF, transaction, all your transaction VF01, create billing document, change billing document. These standard T code, standard objects are stored in the standard package VF. So thank you. So thank you. If you have any query, any question, you can find me on my email ID sapall.expert@gmail.com. For live session of SAP ABAP, you can register using below link. I will provide you this link in the description. You can register using this link. So thank you.